Hi guys, how to center a div horizontally in HTML and CSS is really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. So here we have our div. Let's give it a class name. Class equal to double quotation, suppose center me. Then go to the style section where we put our CSS code. Call for the div class dot center me. Opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Let's give our div width, height and background color. Save, reload. So we have our div here. Now to center it, display, clone, table, margin, dash, left, clone, auto, margin, right, clone, auto, and to center the text, text align, clone, center, and we are done. Save, reload. Now whatever you do, your div will always be at the center horizontally. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.